For this exercise, we'll use the rules for order of operations to simplify an expression. We'll simplify the expression 35 minus 1 times 28 divided by 4 plus 3. Notice that the operations in this expression are subtraction, multiplication, division, and addition. We need to do all the multiplications and divisions in order from left to right first. Now, I am going to write all the rest of the expression as I go instead of just writing that particular operation so that I don't lose any operations and so that I can write an equal sign. Each expression will be equal to the one before it. The first multiplication or division that I see is 1 times 28, working from left to right. So I write 35 minus, I perform the multiplication, 1 times 28 is 28, and I write the rest of the expression. Looking through from left to right, I see a division. That's the next thing I will perform is 28 divided by 4. So I have 35 minus 28 divided by 4 is 7. And I write the rest of the operation, or the rest of the expression, plus 3. As you can see, there are no more multiplications or divisions, so now I perform all additions and subtractions in order as I see them from left to right. The first operation is subtraction. 35 minus 7 is 28, and I add the plus 3. And I only have one operation left, the addition. 28 plus 3 is 31, and that is the simplified form of the beginning expression.